before I even start, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with my makeup, and I'm going to be using the products in my Project Pan. And that is why I am filming this video today. So let's get into it. So I'm not going to be like talking about the products I'm using. If you guys want to know the products I'm using, you guys can go check out my Project Pan video. So if you guys have been on my channel, you guys know that I had a really big announcement on Saturday, and I talked about how my brand is cruelty-free now. So my brand is like entirely cruelty-free professionally, which is awesome. And also personally, I'm making that move to go cruelty-free. So the reason why I say that I'm making that move is because I didn't want to waste all the makeup that I had previously purchased. So instead, if you guys have seen my Project Pan, you know that I took out all my makeup from my professional kit and everything like that, and I just moved everything to my Project Pan so that I could use it up and get rid of it. So I figured that I would do this because I don't want to like waste products that I spent like hundreds and hundreds of thousands on, like literally. So I just figured it would just make sense to just use them up. I'm not going to be like talking about them in the videos or anything like that, but I just didn't want anything negative to surround my new announcement, and I don't want people to think that I'm like lying about being cruelty free when my Project Pan has like brands in it that aren't cruelty free. So I just wanted to kind of make this video just to say, like, I hope you guys understand that the whole reason why I did the Project Pan and the whole reason why my Project Pan is like literally humongous right now, because I'm just trying to get rid of all the products that aren't cruelty free this year, and I will never be repurchasing them. So I don't want you guys to think that like anything about this isn't authentic or isn't real. I just want to be as real, open, and honest with you guys as possible. So that is what I came on to say today. I also will be having in the description of all my videos pretty much the same thing, saying that, like, you know, I'm cruelty free, I'm no longer purchasing these products, etc., etc., just to kind of make everything clear to everybody. If anybody's watching the video and stumbles upon like a video like this, or even my Project Pan video, and thinks like, wait a second, you said you're cruelty free but you're mentioning like a ton of products that aren't, I just want to make it clear to everybody that I was not always cruelty free. I ignorantly wasn't. Not that I ever supported testing on animals, but indirectly I did, because I didn't stop purchasing from these brands. But as of, you know, February, I am. The only thing that I have is in my personal collection of makeup. I'm trying to get through all those products that are not cruelty free. And like I said, I went through my professional makeup kit and I cleared that out completely, and I have all cruelty free products in there now. If you guys haven't checked out the new video, I will definitely have that linked on one of these sides. I have an entire blog explaining all the products that I will be using professionally. And I have, you know, a whole Instagram post, and I have everything like that. And going forward, I will be having on like my Pinterest and everything like that, like cruelty free, and even on my YouTube, I'll have tabs that's like all cruelty free stuff. So like you guys don't have to wonder like, oh, is this product that she's using cruelty free, or is this an older video or whatnot? It will, everything that is now cruelty free will be labeled accordingly. So I feel like I have to shout out ROXDOLL Cosmetics, because just saying, none of this is sponsored in any way, shape, or form. None of my crap is sponsored, and if it was, I would let you know. But I just want to shout out ROXDOLL, because you know what? They do the right thing, and they don't test on animals, and they're also a super cheap price point. And you guys know this is like one of my favorite eyeshadow or eyebrow palettes, and by one of my favorites, I mean it's currently #1. And I think it's like $6. How do they do it? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, that's another thing I should address. I have not gone into like in depth on, I should do an eyebrow video. Let me know if you guys want to know if you guys want an eyebrow video. I'm super excited that this Measurable Difference is cruelty free. Every time after I put foundation on, I have to blow my nose. Is anybody else like that? It's like, I guess because I have such a sensitive nose. All right, so I'm gonna finish up my face, and then I will probably not be back. So let me just say my goodbyes now. So I'll see you guys in my next video on Thursday. Yeah. All right, bye guys. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake.